Oh, hello, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Well, if you look around me, I'm somewhere new on my travels, and I was just kind of craving a pickle.
I love pickles.
Mr. Pickle, is that you? Did you follow me on vacation? Oh my gosh, Mr. Pickle, how did you find me? What? There's someone else here too? Come on out here. It's Sherry from Cooking with Sherry.
Hi.
How special to find you here with Mr. Pickle.
Jim.
You know what? Let's make something involving pickles.
Sounds good to me.
Let's make pickle saltine crackers.
Yay.
Let's do it. Should we start making it now? How about now?
Now?
Now. We're going to start with saltines. Now, have you seen these before? They're called mini-saltines. Well, that's what we're going to use. Pour them in a bowl. Yes, Mr. Pickle, they do look good. So I've grabbed a mug, and you're going to need some butter. I have 1 stick of butter in here, melted. Grab yourself a pack of Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. Ooh, 1 ounce. We're just going to take this and pour it inside. Grab a jar of pickles. We need to add a tablespoon of pickle juice into that butter. How about, Sherry, we have a good shake of dill in this mug? Oh, it's a great show. Thank you.
I think you should do a small shake of garlic powder.
Oh, yes, inside. Whisk it together. Pour it over those crackers. Toss them to coat. Pour it into a prepared baking dish. And bake at 250 for 30 minutes. Dill pickle saltines. This should be good. Time for a taste test.
That's really good.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pickle. And thank you both, Dave and Sherry, for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. It's a great time, and it's always great seeing you, the audience, joining me too. What do you call a knight made completely out of fine china? Ceramic.